Chat, dyan dobra. Eto na nga at magbabalik na naman ang inyong babaeng walang pahinga na hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa nagpapahinga dahil sa kabisi-bisi ang daming trabahuin sa bahay kubo na bahay ni Kuya. So, ngayong araw na to is meron pala tayong lakad. Inimbitahan tayo ng bongacious na wedding dito sa Poland. Inimbitahan tayo ng kasal, kasali, kasalo. And of course, kahapon namili kami guys ng mga damit. Hindi damit, mga shoes. Ni Mati and ni Kuya Alex. So, bakit nga ba shoes para kay Lily? Para mausa na lang ang kanyang gasto, no? Kasi mabilis lumaki ang kanyang mga little paa. Grabe guys, ang bilis na lumaki ng kanilang mga paa, no? So, shoes na lang.
Try my outfit inside.
Wow, gusto niya daw i-try ang outfit. But before anything else, i-open natin tong isang package galing sa aking wallet. Charot.
Anime.
Okay. Ganito.
Today the package going to sorry. Well, today it's the package and it's something to open.
Yeah.
And today are going to open the package. And today are going to the wedding dress.
You think it's a wedding dress?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh no. What's inside? What color is inside?
Black.
Oh no, it's not nice. We don't wear black. Okay.
Oh.
Excuse me guys.
It's black.
It's time to unbox our
Black rice.
We have here multi-stylers. This is for the hair, my love.
What?
Why? You don't want to style your hair?
I want.
Okay, gunit.
Okay.
So,
And to open the wedding makeup hairs.
makeup hairs. The wedding makeup hairs. So, we're going to open it. Are you
Yeah.
excited?
Yeah.
Do not scream. So, we have here... What we have? We have a pouch here. And gloves. And of course, we have here the 7-in-1 hot air styler instruction. You need to read
And
and read.
styles and base
Mhm.
for her.
And now we're going to unbox each and every one of you. Charot. So we don't know yet what is the...
It's not for her.
Is it? How to do like that?
Ah!
Tickling. So we have here this. Unbox muna natin lahat mga be. And then, of course, aside from that, we have this.
Yeah, for that.
Tararan.
Okay.
So,
And for her.
mag-explore na tayo, no, ng mga later that one. Pampa-sofa.
Oh.
We have here high temp cushion. Then, of course, yung kanilang,
For her.
this one.
For her.
This
Yeah.
one, girly.
It's for her only.
On and off is here.
Mama, can I put... that's like a...
Nakalock at
Would I be big like you?
So,
Because I want to...
yeah, you can use it when you be, yeah. What else?
Boy.
We have also here the Turaran.
Oh, yeah.
What else do we have here? We have here also this one. 7 pieces to siya, be.
Can I the other?
7 pieces. Kasi pwede siya nating ayan, meron din tayo nitong. Ayan.
Baba, look at this.
And the last one is
Ouch.
this one. Nagtataka ako kasi yung ginamit ko dito at saka dito is the same. Look.
What you broken?
How,
What is that? You buy something new?
what is this? What is this? It's hot. Because I want like this curl.
Why you don't tell me you buy something?
Because you will say that you don't know because you are not a girl.
You know I know more better than you.
You all the time say
Look,
that.
I can comb my hair.
Yeah.
It's massage.
But I am wondering, it's the same from here and this one, the same usage.
Hey, it's boo boo. You can massage too.
You need to put the electricity so it will be delayed. It's okay, because I like a long time like that, looking for.
It's okay, but I don't know. You need to ask Marlena. She's better knowledge. Or you.
Marlena, but Marlena do not speak English well.
Oh my God. Me too.
Like, can you talk to her?
No.
No. And who eat the bread chocolate of Lily? Where is the bread chocolate of Lily? Who eat?
I don't know. I don't.
Because when we wake up, it's the light is on here and no.
Alex fight here, I think.
Okay, update you guys later. But at least na-try na natin, no? Pero isa pa yung na-try ko. Hi guys. Finally, naging babae na ako. Pero, ewan ko, para akong bakla. Hindi ko talaga makonsider ang babae ko. Ang babae ko, bakla ay makakonsider ko. So, ready na ako. Pero, parang papunta ako ng beach kasi ito yung bag ko, be. Charang! Of course, ilalagay lang natin to siya sa car. Yung dadalhin lang naman natin sa car ay sa church is itong cute na bag ko. Wala na ibang bag. Ito na lang balagi. Of course, ito yung paborito ko. Dahil wala naman akong choice. Kaya paborito ko na to. Diba? So, ang mga batuta is nasa car. Check you later. Bye-bye. Ay. Panagsarat ang himong lalaki. Tanawara ko niya akong kinabuhi. Dali, uy, matay yung puntaan niyo, uy.
Yes.
Uy. Wait, guys. Minsan lang naman ako maging babae, pero grabe pa yung aking antos. Gusto ko na lang maging Uy, naunsa naman ka? Itong mga... Can you hold it for a while? A little bit dangerous.
That's my style.
I'm going to pass by on the other planet kasi Uy, tabang Lord. Huwag niyo akong anuhin. Uniti, uyati, hawiri. Wow. Bakit naman ganun? Is it close? Okay. Uy, grabe. Grabe kainit. Oh my gosh. Dari na lang kasi na.
No, it's too hot.
Sorry, love.
No, mama, should
Oh, grabe kahat ang world. So, we're going to the wedding.
Hungry.
Lo,
Sleepy.
hungry na po ko, no?
I'm sleepy. Hungry.
Para atang lumaki na ako kasi parang hindi fit yung aking damit.
See? Hungry.
Why you slap me? If you can see tissue, can you bring? Why you slap me again? Hello! Nandito na kami, guys. Oh, ang babaeng to is nagpatulog-tulog. Gusto na naman magpakugos. Sala na lang. So, guys, ang celebration pala is wedding and what is the celebration? Wedding and birthday. And
Wedding,
baptism.
birthday, and baptism.
Hala ka. And yung alam lang ni Tata is wedding. Hindi kami nagdala para sa baby.
And here.
Anyways, nandito na tayo sa church.
What you do with there?
What did you do? Why you don't put it properly to her?
It's small church. Oh, what do you give me?
Oh, I didn't see that. You're too heavy. Do not talk too much. I didn't see that. Because you changed that. Remember, you changed the... Don't talk too much.
Look at this. Yes, put it down.
Тебе же что я не ранила?
The bag of lily. Ah, okay. Shh, quiet. Lily.
They were very looking at us when we was filming.
Why?
I don't because more people like filming with phone and you were like camera.
Ah, nandun ang presidente. President.
Można nowych kolegów.
Hello guys, good morning. Ito na nga, nakagising na ang babaeng walang pahinga for today's video. At nagkuha na ako ng tubig para inatin kasi magkape-kape muna tayo, be. So, update yung ating gala kahapon, no? Grabe yung ating kakapoy. Kay, kapoy dyan kaayo guys. Kaya alas 12 kape namin nakabalik dito. Tapos, aw! Sakit ng aking mga kalawasan, yun. Kasi nagawa ako ng aking glutes at saka push kahapon. Yung glutes ko is yun the other day. Bumawi kasi ako nung ating mga holiday doon sa Egypt. Wala akong training. So, bumawi na ako dito nung pagdating natin. And of course, inimbitahan din tayo. Kahit anong bawi natin, inimbitahan na naman tayo ng ano. Ang dami na naman pagkain, be. Pero hindi masyado akong kumain kahapon kasi hindi ko naman taste yung mga pagkain din nila. Yung pagkain sa Egypt kay yaka-yakara, okay ra. And then, yun na nga, pagdating dito, gipang kapoy mi guys. But at least nakapag-change pa kami ng sleeping garment lahat. And then, hasta ang lingawa. Someone's walking down here. Tata ata. Si Tata ata gumising na. Time right now is 7 a.m. in the morning. So at least nakatulog din ng ayos-ayos no kasi uwan na kami dumating. 6 hours is fine for me. And away, naka-rest din tayo. So update ko kayo mamaya guys. Magkape muna ako. Baka manghihi din yung kape si Tata. Heto na nga't magbabalik na naman ng inyong babaeng walang pahinga na hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa nakahanap ng ikaduha na Euro Papa. Meow meow. So for today's video is papunta tayo sa ewan ko anong pangalan na pupuntahan natin. But alam niyo naman na amnesia ako sinabi ko ni Tata kanina guys kung saan tayo papunta. Pero kanalimutan ko na lang ang lahat. Pero ang pagkain hindi. So ngayon pupunta tayo dahil nga magbe-birthday si Kuya Alex. Puhon. So 12 anyos na dyan si Kuya Alex guys, no? So I am so happy kasi ang daming pakulo nitong Tata. Ang dami na naman niyang gustong gawin para sa kanyang bebe. Dahil nga, okay. Bebe. Turn off, bebe. Dahil nga malapit na naman yung ating lipad at matagal-tagal na naman tayo. Yeah, I think so.
You know, it's things. I need.
Matagal-tagal na naman nating hindi makita itong si Dodong. Malaking Dodong. And then, of course, hindi natin kasama ngayon sila Mata tsaka ni Lily. Tayo-tayo lang.
Padało przez
And then,
powiedzieli, że
Alex knows where we go. We are here in Tor Autic. And mag-driving na naman tayo ng ano guys. Si Alex yung mag-drive. Hindi ako. Ayoko mag-drive. Hindi naman ako nakaschedule. Ano kasi to? Pa-experience si Tata sa kanyang baby boy kay Dodong Dako na maka-experience mag-drive ng auto. Ayan, Tor Autic.
no coś tam jeździ. Jak tam Aniu, wyspałeś się, że ktoś jeździ na prawo jazdy?
Siya yung ating contestant for today's video. Malamig talaga siya pala. Buti na lang nakapag sweater aketch. Malaki yung space. Maganda mag-drive dito. Drive sila be. Since viewer lang naman tayo for today's video, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung journey ni Dodong Dako mag-drive. Ayan, ang cute ng car. Gusto ko yung ganyang car, oh. Yung mag-drive ng ganyan kalaki. Hindi yung ganun kalaki sa car namin na napakalaki naman. Oy din, you know. Hururuy. Ayan, oh, yung parang tarak-tarak lang ba? Yan yung gusto ko ng mga car, yung malatarak-tarak, hindi yung malaki talaga. Diba guys? Maganda ito yung ganito, oh. Pwede lang maaswat tapos itapon mo kung ayaw mo na. Yung ganitong ano, itapon. Dato yarn. Tapon mo kung ayaw mo nang magpuyo dito, no? Dzień dobry.
Przyjdziemy lasu nie będzie. Dzień dobry. Czy pomóc?
On jest umówiony na jazdę na 14.
Na 14, bo 2 godziny szkolenia, tak?
Tak.
Dobra. Kolega, ty będziesz go szkolił, właśnie prowadzisz szkolenie. Która jest godzina? Masz
Ale podobno macie jeszcze jakieś go-karty, żeby sobie pojeździć przed.
do driftu.
Tak.
No, mamy
Chcesz?
do driftu. Bo weź pod uwagę jedną rzecz, tylko
Mokro.
dzisiaj będzie tak, że z despa.
No właśnie,
Ale
tam
ja to
mu-
od razu mówię, bo tu od góry do dołu.
No,
Cały
mówię, ale nie
będzie.
wyschło już? Jeszcze jest, tak?
Chyba, że po syjaku, jak przestanie,
To
może
może
będzie
po
padać.
najwyżej.
Bo będziesz cały od góry.
Yes?
Trochę...
I don't understand.
Or we get our car. No, I scare you broken.
No, I don't want to drive now.
Trochę odległe miejsce do mieszkania w Polsce, no to prawda. Ale wiem jak jest, bo
Only
mam
Alex?
znajomego, jak byłem mechanikiem w drifcie, mam znajomego, który z Malty przyjeżdżał do lasa, na tory. Bo na Malcie mieli tylko jeden parking taki duży, kurwa, na tory tam nie
No,
mają.
no, Malcie ma. Or you won't use my car and drive for you.
Is it okay? No, because I never
You want? Because I can ask to
No.
first hour to drive.
I don't, that's too big and I never tried that. Maybe give it to Alex and Alex's car will be
Yeah,
mine.
but it's good if you want try?
Yeah.
You want try?
The small one, the one that like a toy.
No, you can drive here. It's long. You can learn how to drive.
The small one, I'm fine. The one
But
that,
not a small one.
that like that, like
Our
that.
is for free. Only you pay for the using the place.
But you will be with me?
No yes. I hope so
Inaczej
not
by się nie zgodził.
A długi ten tor. Jest kilometr ma chyba. To na go-karty to idealne. To popadało.
Dobrze śliska.
Wala pa dito, oh.
Wszystko mi powiem za kwas.
Po czym? Masz zakwas czego? Ale powiedz dokładnie co cię boli.
Nie, to
A
Oh
plecy,
my.
triceps, no to dobrze, jak to potrenowałeś trochę.
That small
Alex had the 1 hour training on the computer, yeah?
computer.
Simulation.
Oh, it's okay to hit.
It's okay to hit.
It's okay to bump. I will bump your car.
Żywiec, spróbować na samolocie.
Yeah.
Za zderzak w moim to byś miała 10 takich.
Update kay Dodong Alex is pumasok na sila sa opisina ng Tor Autic, yung kanilang yung kanilang shop is ang pangalan guys is Tor Autic. So pumasok na sila na meron sila doong parang car din na kanang naa siya wheel din na siya tulo ka buok yatakanan. Magbibisaya kasi ako no. Magbibisaya ako guys kasi hindi kasi ako maka-express pag Tagalog eh. So kanang muna minay pa nagsanga magtagalog ko kanang kayo ran ako pero kanang magbisaya nako guys mo na siyang time nga galuding pa akong utok mo na siyang automatically translate ko sa translate yeah automatically transfer ko sa Tagalog version dili na ko magbisdak o nagsambisdak then mo automatically Tagalog version na naman ang peg so hindi ko yan siya wala na siya nakagituyo, hindi ko yan siya tinuyo na may ano na siya guys, kundi na ano lang siya kay tungod nagba-vlog ako nag-Tagalog version dahil yung iba hindi marunong makaintindi ng Bisaya version but I tried my best naman din so wag sana kayong magalit sa akin dahil hindi naman ako Tagalog person, bisdak at saka Ilongalisingag naman ako originally so I'm so happy lang talaga na you know guys na ako dito sa Poland and then I am trying my best na magtagalog and kahit yung best ko is hindi enough para sa inyo huwag nyo naman akong anuhin like hindi ko kasi ma-express yung sarili ko kung hindi bisdak or kaya ano na lang panag sa English panag sa yung sagulista na lang tayo guys sana maintindihan nyo yung aking sinasabi no kasi dili magud ko kuan dili ko fluent ba wala siya ko kuan sagulista lang talaga ako guys anyway yung ating weather ngayon dito sa Poland guys sobrang lamig kanina is merong araw mainit siya pero pag yung araw matatabunan ni cloudy day ayan matatabunan ng cloud na yan is grabe ka enat pod mara pag ihapto guys bebe yung ating ano no na-compare ko talaga yung mga lugar kung saan tayo nakapunta no so yung mainit lang na lugar na napuntahan ko since is yung Egypt. Yeah, mainit, sobrang init guys. Desierto of course, sobrang init. Tapos hindi mo makikita yung mga halaman na ganito. Tingnan niyo naman 'yan. Dito sa Poland is sa lahat ng napuntahan ko maganda naman sa Finland. Kaya lang hindi naman kami nakapag-stay doon ng matagal-tagal kasi nung time na pumunta tayo sa Finland, kung naalala nyo, kung kayo ay viewers ko from the start of the beginning of my world, charot, is pumunta tayo sa Finland nung si Mati pa lang, wala pa si Liliput. Of course, ginawa natin si Liliput doon sa Finland. Doon natin siya kinaykay ng the highest level para mabuo ang baby girl. So, yun na nga guys, pagbalik namin dito sa Poland, nabuntit na ang bigaten kasi nagjiga-jiga doon sa Finland. Kasi that time is meron si Tatang black belter. Meron siyang examinations as a black belter. So ayun, nakakuha siya ng black belter guys. And then I don't know kung kailan yung next niya na exam kasi depende yan kasi sa grupo nila kung kailan. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan ng grupo nila pero sinabi na sa akin ni Tata dati yung pangalan ng grupo pero ako lang talaga itong nag-amnesia. Ngayon sasabihin naman ni Tata na magta-drive ako dito kasi malapad-lapad na naman yung ating okay lang naman sa akin guys na yung ipapadrive niya guys is yung ganito na tarak-tarak yung ipapadrive niya sa akin is yung tarak-tarak namin na sobrang laki ayoko naman nun kasi okay lang naman sa akin guys kaya lang nag-aalinlangan ako baka mabangga ako guys ito kasi guys yung tarak-tarak na to guys okay lang siya ibangga okay lang siya ibangga be kay tanaw po lang naman marag akong naman pwede na ibangga no so what is the plan?
I asked it's no option so you can drive here. No, without our car, it's not accept.
They don't accept our car.
Yes, don't have the car and no option.
Hindi ako makaka-drive. Kasi sabi niya gusto niya akong mag-drive.
Nice place, yeah.
Kasi malaki yung espasyo
I
dito.
can pay, but it's no option to we drive our car, and no option to drive the car.
What we can do? Nothing.
No.
I will check Alex. How Alex to drive. Yeah.
He learn how to
It's
drive.
the most important that he try to drive. Malaki-laki yung espasyo nila dito, guys. Okay lang sa diri, paru-paro ng mga car diri, guys. Kasi ito kasi yung
drone.
Yeah, kasi you're so busy. Nag-work kasi yan siya kaninang umaga. Then pagkatapos yung dalhin yung mga batuta sa school, nag-work siya. Nag-work siya ng a little bit. May work yan siya, no? Kala niyo wala yan siyang work, no? Of course, yung mga work ni Tata is confidential. Hindi siya pwedeng ibulgar. Kasi not everything is to be vulgar or exposed in social media. Kasi dapat meron tayong privacy. So, naalala nyo, dati is lagi akong nagpo-post. Ngayon ay hindi na masyado. Kasi privacy is powercity. Tata is the one who keep on vlogging, but not every time. Nag-change.
Important things record.
Nag-change na kami. Like dati, if I record everything when I wake up, until I sleep. Now, I only record when I go somewhere. Like, not a confidential thing. You know, if it's confidential, I will not record about it. Like, it's a slide only. But we will not go to detailed. Yeah? Just like the kaso-kaso, about about sa kaso-kaso, about kill. How are you, Tata? Oh my gosh. Why are you sleepy?
Because I sleep only 5 hours.
You sleep only 5 hours?
Yeah, and I don't sleep in my bed because you with kids get all bed and I sleep in your legs. I pay for this bed 50,000 peso.
Yeah.
I don't can sleep normally because you and kids kick me when sleep. He sleep normal and I sleep in the legs.
What I can do, your kids is like
As
a wall clock.
a thumb on the floor after a few kicks.
The kids was sleeping like a wall clock, like they're...
No, kids in this age need sleep in own bed. Ugh.
But Mati cannot. I want Mati sleep on time, but he don't want to sleep if Alex is like,
You don't have
screaming.
discipline.
Who don't have discipline when Alex sleep 12?
In discipline, you have holiday.
Yes, but Alex, should I put Mati to guest room?
No.
And Alex will say that there's a ghost. It's already started? Really? My plan is to walk because I need 10k per day. Look what happened to my labot.
Bulky.
Show. Sweat?
Yeah, it's sweat.
Because I sit there.
Sweat. What you doing?
I sit here.
You make pee.
No. I have small robot. I need to make it more. Maybe after 2 years it will be more like how do you say that? Cherry? No, cherry.
No, za szybko trochę. Długi bieg z powrotem.
Wow.
Ale szybciej nie pojedziesz. No to nie jest drugi. Tylko patrz przed siebie.
Oh, nagda-drive na si Alex. Tingnan natin sa actual mamaya.
No, szybciej nie pojedziesz.
Musisz słuchać silnika.
No właśnie myślę.
Hindi naman ako nakakaintindi ng kanilang lengguwahe kasi hindi naman sila nag-English pa, Polish naman sila. Mag-walking muna tayo dito, no? I just want to enjoy this opportunity na nandito pa tayo sa Poland kasi puhon is mabalik na naman tayo doon sa Pilipinas. I am so happy that I love the weather. Yung merong kasi haring araw tapos malamig siya, guys. Gusto ko yung weather na ganito. Malamig na mainit. Diba? Perfect. Lumayas na naman to si Tata kung saan ako pupunta. Sinusunod-sunod ako. Akala niya naman mawawala ako. Hindi ako mawawala. Isang corner lang naman dito. Feeling. Ang ganda kasi malaki yung espasyo. Nandun na naman siya. Parang may tuliling. Tuliling. Tuyok-tuyokin natin to siya. Magtuyok-tuyok ta para maka 10k ano tayo, 10k steps. How many steps do you have now?
Me? 4,339.
Walk more. I don't even know. Where is the shop here? Bibili daw tayo ng tubig. And after I used the card last time that it's not working, I am shy to buy. I don't have cash and I have only card and the card is not working. I return everything what I collect. Can you open the car? I will get the water. There's little water. Only little. The one that we left after the wedding nung pumunta tayo sa wedding feast of Cana. Wala nga lang yung miracle. Like how Jesus transformed the water into wine. Naalala niyo pa yun? Meron pa akong mga ganong knowledge, be. Kung maibabalik ko na. Bakit kasi hindi ko naisip na magdala ng maraming tubig na naman. Siguro dahil wala yung, meron lang tayong ganitong tubig. Sakto na to, hindi na ako iinom para hindi ako makaihi. Sa kanila na to kasi kailangan nila ng tubig. Uminom din naman ako bago lumayas. Parang ako na lang siyang tingog. Tingog. Tata! We have only this water. Sayang, bakit ako? Are you enjoying the sand? No. No, because we don't have another water. You're wasting the water.
I joke. But I want to make the steps.
I will make steps.
You go to shop.
No. Oh, I will buy chips if I go to shop.
No, Red Bull for me.
Where is the shop?
3 kilometers from here. You go there, to main road.
Give me the cash.
I don't have cash.
I am not sure if my card is working. I will go. I will try. Ah, we're going.
No, it's far.
I will walk. At least I have 10k. Oh, they have the motor. Can I try the motor?
Do you know how to change the transmission?
The motor?
Yes.
I never tried. I never tried like that.
No, yeah.
I tried only the
Not
brum
like
brum
the-
brum
not
brum.
automatic like the
Automatic. Yeah, that's the problem right now. But I can learn if we try, you know. How I will not learn if we don't try? See, how we will be together if I don't meet you? That's how it looks.
scooter. I don't know.
You don't know?
Maybe you have now some Filipino, rich Filipino.
I don't know because for sure if Filipino it's not rich. It's just because I am not looking also rich one. I am looking only the one who will love me like you know, treat me like a person, not an animal.
Now you say you're looking another one.
No, I'm not saying looking another one. I told you that I am, if you are here, I am depending only to you because you don't learn me. You are doing everything.
And I will be your teacher.
No, you are doing everything.
We go to bed. I learn you new magic.
Magic how to? Yut. Tala. Sabi ko sa kanya kasi ngayon is siya na lang lagi lahat siya yung naggagawa kasi guys sabi ko paano na lang pag wala ka magunsa na lamang ko ano eh. Kasi siya lahat yung nagwo-work everything especially dito talaga lahat no yung para sa mga bata basta kay siya jud tanan guys ako kay kuyog-kuyog ra ko murag prinsesa nya suko-suko pa jud kinay gamay. So sabi ko nga unsaon na lang kung kuan labi na mag-car di ba ko maom car. Pero makataon ra man na when the time is kanang ma-pressure na gani ka pero karon man gud nagsalig pa ta kay kani si tata naara man siya perme di man siya kanang kuan kanang beze sa iyang life and then kabalo man ko mo drive kanang automatic nga car pero kani ilahang car man gud diri kay dili siya automatic mag-change pa og transmission your honor so dili man ko kamao ana pa and then ana siya unsa ko pulos og wala may car ngay ana kay puros ang mga car puros automatic lahat ng car namin automatic so hindi na lang niya ako papatryin dito na. Anyways, automatic magud among car sa Pilipinas og diri. So dili na lang daw may train. Tapos ano siya mag-walk daw ako mag-walk gani ko guys kay 1,400 pa akong steps nga pila naman ta hapit na tama and ang adlaw kay edit ko. Muna si tata kay gadako ra yung tiyan kay tungod kay sige ra ga edit. Ga vlog unya dili ka balo mo. Muhatag og tayon sa iyang kaugalingon. Di siya ka maumong kuan kay kapuy na siya after edit guys kay tapulan man siya guys. Tapulan. Sige bitaw siya edit. Nya pag human niya og kanang edit kay katulog na siya. Like gutom man siya nya kapuyon siya dayon kay mabuyon man siya charot. Nitaw ay nga na siya ron. Murag nabaliktad mi kay dati ako kay kuan kayo ko like anang kuan kayo ko sa vlogging life na ako. Pero kuan ra man siya ko sa akong vlogging life mga bebe. Same ra man siya mga bebe pero ngayon ana tay distansya. Distansya ka may bebe. Kay nagbabago man tayo as we grow old bebe. We know our privacy. We know limit dapat makatuon magud ta nga well kakatiguang ta kay dili man ta magkabata man good so I learn a lot really and God knows how much I learn but I learn a lot like a lot though grabe pud akong stress as sabi nga nila na more knowledge more stress pero it's more power more knowledge more stress but more powerful sige lang kay kung stress man siya pero at least nasa imong utok no one can buy it for you and lahi-lahi man tag power guys ako kay na ako'y kilikili power napod ko'y utot charot. O diba nagtuyok-tuyok ra jud ta para maka 10k steps ta for today's video sakit na akong kulamoy guys ha sakit na akong kulamoy mag sig vlog so update ko na lang kayo mamaya magtuyok-tuyok lang muna ako naglabad na ako na akong ulo sig yaw-yaw dire mura ba na imong tubig ay Alex is ready.
Słuchaj się instruktora.
Hard-headed.
Powodzenia. A potem jeszcze dziękuję.
Give him luck. Your luck is to punch him in the head.
Czekaj, widzisz jego minę?
Are you ready? Maybe I am. No, after the lesson.
Początek będzie trudny. Zaraz zobaczymy jak Alex.
After lesson.
Żałuję, że zapomniałem zabrać drona.
Ready na si Alexander.
Tak, jeśli nie ma w głowie, no to wydajcie mi dosyć lepszy materiał. Może następnym razem wezmę jakiś Do that cover.
Alex first lesson.
We can go back here with the normal
Normal what?
driving with the instructor 1 hour.
I do not understand.
Like tomorrow, no, tomorrow no. But
No, we don't have time. We need to prepare the house. Alex have birthday.
in Monday, yes.
Maybe, I don't know. But
Wtedy I can get drone. Coś mały jesteś tam.
now more higher, huh? More higher, yeah. Now Kuya is trying to prepare himself. He's removing his jacket, trying to prepare whatever is happening. But you know, in computer is different than actual. Come on na si Alex ay. Ay 1 hour on. Start na. God bless. Marunong yan siya mag-drive. Nag-drive na yun siya nung tarak-tarak ni Mati. He knows how to drive go-kart, no problem.
No problem. Problem is in the
Go-kart.
transmission, the skrzynia biegów.
So he don't have problem. He knows how to drive go-kart. It's just the
Zobaczymy, ile
same.
będzie miał wypadków, oby mniej,
He's still learning. Oh,
ale widać, że podjarany, że mu się podoba.
abot mo ron diri ugma. You can arrive.
Wakacje w tym roku
I think you can. You,
wszystkie. My holiday chyba is his all holiday. Dolphin, diving,
yeah.
snorkeling.
How did it happen? I think the Filipino people must stay here in Europe, so they will think They will think differently.
You stay in Europe.
Yeah, so their brain will change. It's like that because if where you are, you will adapt to the environment. Later you will be fat too because you're all the time sitting. You will adapt. Till he drive now. Alex is driving. Going to the mountainous area. Slowly is fine as long as you can get here safely. They are very far now. They have 1 hour to train how to drive and we will just wait here. They don't have even snack for us. And
with
water.
other attraction.
Oh, asa na yun si Alex? Ikatatlong balik na nila. 3 times already, right? This road. Ikatatlo na nila magtuyok-tuyok dito. At hindi pa siya nabangga. Oh, di ba naghintay tayo kailan mabangga? Pero at least, marunong na. Marunong na mag-control ang dodong. Ayan, papalapit na sila. Saan sila? Nandun sila.
Look,
Oh. Make sure don't hit the wheel. Oh, oopsie. Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. It's nice in here. Last.
So,
Welcome back. Oh, give me your phone. I'll take a photo. Gratuluya. Congratulations, Alex, kasi nakapagtapos ka na ng iyong pag-aaral. Charot. O, diba? Ilan kaya yung tuyok-tuyok niya? Oh, nakapag-picture. You can ask Kuya to take a photo, both of you. Finally, natapos na. Kanina pa yan sila, guys. Dumating tayo dito mga 1 to 2. Mag-aalas 4 na. Aray ko. Mag-aalas 4 na, kukunin na lang natin directly yung mga batuta para hindi tayo magbalik-balik, no? Kasi for kapin man din yung pick up time ng mga bata. Yeah. Balik na naman sila sa office. Congrats!
To bliżej niż to jest.
Proszę.
No i tutaj jest to wyższe.
Wody chcesz nalić?
That's your reward. That's your reward.
No jak się podobało? Na pewno spragnione. Został troszeczkę może dla Jelly, albo dla mnie.
Yeah.
Jak ci się podobało?
Bardzo,
Tak?
bardzo.
Nie spodziewałeś się, że będziesz jeździł samochodem w tym roku? Sam jeszcze do tego?
Nie no, nie sam. Instruktorem.
No ale sam kierowanie i sam zmieniałeś biegi. I wszystko.
Miał jakby rzeczy, ale nie użył.
He's sweating.
Ale tak się spociłem.
He's
Odświeżcie,
sweating.
ale to od kasku.
No się nie dowiem dziś sami.
To ja zadzwonię po
sami
prostu.
mechanicy.
No dobrze.
Najlepiej będzie.
Dziękuję bardzo.
Bo to szef wszystko
Dziękuję.
odpowie.
And pinakuha ko sa kay Tata at kay Alex kasi anyway, hindi rin naman nila ako kinakausap kasi hindi sila marunong ang gawas ko. Hindi sila niki-English best, sasabihin lang nila na okay. So much better si Tata yung kuting kay unsay okay or dili kay 2 or 3 days ago kay si Lily kay not behaving guys. Meron siyang pinanggagawa na hindi siya nakikinig ba sa teacher. And then ayun na nga sabi ng teacher na not nice daw si Lily. So tingnan natin today no. Hopefully meron ng good news kasi si Mati good naman siya kasi malaki na ba si Mati. Then sabi nga ni Mati yung kanyang trabaho doon siya daw yung taga-tanggol. Sabi ko hindi mo naman yung trabaho na pagtanggol mo yung kaklase mo lagi. They just need to tell the teacher. Then ganun. Nang lili sa playground, hindi nila kaulapad. Friday. Ayan, yung kakahuyan kasi yung ano nila, yung likod ng kanilang paaralan. Likod, harap. Napalibutan talaga to ng kakahuyan guys, yung paaralan nila. Peekaboo!
Czekaj, to z drugiej strony.
How are you?
Mama, my balloon popped.
Why?
Because Tata fixed it.
Okay, sit down.
So,
Kuya
Mama,
man.
look, I made a boat.
Wow.
It's for you.
Okay.
It's for you, Mama.
Okay, wanna Tata yung belt to first.
Mama. I don't want
Thank you.
Welcome. Ang katol
Belt first, belt. Put it first inside the ano. So, update you later. Dito na yung ating mga bebe.
Oh, I have mamba.